The control panel consists of a display. We can use the rotary knob on the left to change the volume or to mute and unmute the sound. Of course, we can also use the rotary knob on the right. If we go back to our media source, we can use the rotary knob to navigate through the menu and different options available. Then push to make a selection. We can also select Settings, go with Button, and then select Volume Tune. We have the left and right button, and we can then swap their functions. If we then return to Media and use the left knob first, it is now used to go through the different options. If we then use the right one, we can change the volume or mute and unmute the sound. Up next are the climate functions. On the right, we can switch between climate and navigation. Navigation, however, also contains radio, media, and setup. Map takes us straight to the map view. Click again, nothing happens. We can open the navigation feature. If we click our customizable button, the head unit takes us straight to the button settings. We can then select any of the functions available. We could, for example, go with Home. If we then click on our customized button, it takes us straight back to the head unit home screen. So let's turn on the sound.
She played the fiddle and I by the hands of baby, I just wanna dance. She played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she played the fiddle.
We can go on to the next track, go back, skip a track, or fast forward and rewind. Then on to radio next. In this case, we can switch between DAB, AM, and FM radio stations.
An Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her.
If we click on Media again, the system takes us to the different media sources. Last but not least, Setup takes us to the settings. If we click again, nothing happens. The next thing we're going to do is switch to Climate. And we see that the display options have changed. We can then select Driver Climate Only. In order to change the temperature, we have to use the rotary knob. We can turn the AC on or off. We can regulate the fan speed. Or change the ventilation direction. We can heat the front shield or synchronize the functions for driver and passenger.